Now she knows not to do that, because if she does do that, you're gonna walk away and never see that bitch. So I got a message from a guy and he said a question or the following problem. Last week, Friday, the second date with a woman, met her in the city. I meet her and seeing her carrying a picnic blanket and a box of food. She surprised me with a picnic, cooked the food herself, and even baked cakes. During the picnic, I had a lot of eye contact with her, touched her, sexual innuendos, etc. After the picnic, we went to a bar, had some drinks, and went back home. At her front door, she said to me that she would rather be friends. I asked her since when or how she came up with this, and she said she knew this since our first meeting. Interesting. If she knows this since their first meeting, why is she baking food for me? She told that for the first date was beautiful and she really liked it. Well, it seems to me that she failed her shit test. Obviously, you guys went on a date. She knows it was a date. She even said it was a great date. She brought you food, baked you a bunch of things. She dressed nice. She did all these things for you just for her to tell you that she'd rather be friends. Girls love the shit test. She goes on the date to pre-qualify you and disqualify you. Throughout the date, if everything went well, the final steps is her to test you, which is obviously right now, she even said, how about we just be friends? That's a test. Obviously, if she's on a date with you, would she really just want to be your friend? Does she do this with her girlfriends? Does she go out, make sexual innuendos with her girlfriends? And does she talk to her girlfriends this way? Probably fucking not. And obviously, this guy failed her test because he started asking her questions. Oh, why is this? Why do you think we should just be friends? You obviously know she likes you. Obviously, you know she doesn't want to be friends. Obviously, you know you don't want to be friends with her either. But you haven't made your move yet. You haven't even kissed her yet. So, of course, she's going to test you. What I would have done in that situation is at the end of the date, you know, everything went super well. Lots of touching, lots of playfulness. I would have kissed her in the very beginning, but whatever. So let's say that the whole day I didn't even kiss her. We get back to her place or my place. We're at our front door and she said, I think we should just be friends. And I'm like, listen, babe, I have plenty of friends. I don't need any more friends. But we could definitely be friends with benefits, right? And make a joke. Friends with benefits? Yeah, sure, that sounds great. It works every single time because they're gonna laugh like, oh my gosh, you're so silly, or oh my god, no. And then you just grab them and you kiss them. That's it. That's all you have to do. Or you completely ignore her and you say, just shut up and kiss me already. That's it. That's all you have to do. And if she doesn't want to kiss you, that means she wasn't into you. But if she does kiss you, obviously that means she doesn't want to just be friends and she's just testing you. At the end of the date, you should always be going for the kiss. First date, and especially the second date, you should be going for the kiss. If I go on a date with a girl, the first date, I'm gonna be at least kissing her and touching her and making out with her at least on the first date. If I go for the kiss and she kind of moves away or she's not ready yet and I can tell she's not ready to kiss me yet, by the end of the date, you know, you're not sure if she likes you or not, you didn't test enough, see your levels of interest. At the end of the date, fuck it, go for the kiss. If she doesn't want to kiss you back or she doesn't like you, then she's not gonna kiss you back. No big deal. Now you know, now I shouldn't take this girl on a second date. And if this girl wants a second date, she's gonna have to come over to my place. She's gonna have to go bring over me food. She's gonna have to do all these things for me because she turned down such a great guy on the first date. It's that simple. My advice for this guy, you should have been kissing her on the first date and this is your second date, so obviously she probably thinks you're being a complete simp for her and that's why she tested you. It is what it is, you know, you could easily save yourself, but it is what it is. And this is what happens even with guys who meet high quality chicks. High quality chicks are always gonna test you. Low quality chicks are gonna test you. All girls are going to test you. But it's super important to treat all girls the same. So if you treat this girl like every other girl and just went for the kiss the first date and didn't make it a big deal, it would have been fine. But now she knows, for whatever reason, you didn't want to kiss her or you weren't making the move. So now she's gonna test you and try to put you in the friend zone. And so you should simply walk away and say, nah, I'm good, or just go for the kiss. That's it, that's all you need to do. But obviously this guy messed up. Right now, in his position, I would just stop texting her, I would stop calling her, and I just let her reach out to you. And if she wants to come over, that's all you have to do. You know, if she texts you, calls you, hey, you know, why haven't you been texting you, why haven't you been calling me? Oh, I've been really busy lately, but hey, if you wanna come over, here's my address, here's the time. And if she doesn't wanna do that, that's it. She doesn't wanna be with you. Super simple. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys find this video important and you guys think it needs to be seen and heard to other men, go share it with your friends. Go listen to the podcast if you guys haven't already. The podcast has just hit over 1 million listeners. It's been listened in every single fucking country. This podcast is the podcast you guys need to be listening to. If you guys haven't already, go rate the podcast 5 stars on Spotify. That helps incredible amounts. A bunch of feminists came in and started rating the podcast 1 star. So you guys gotta help the fucking ratio and go rate it 5 stars. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time.